In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Luel.ai and start training AI. So guys, as you can see right here, my account has been approved. Actually of the waitlist, because many people are on the waitlist, for example on Outlier. So guys, now you simply want to train AI by uploading your voice, photos and videos, and of course guys, you simply get paid. So as you can see right here, you simply browse available listings that match your language and skills. You read the instructions and record your content, upload and get paid for every approved minute. I'll show you how you can create your account, and also I'll log into my own account and show you what we have on the account. Guys, here is my approved account. As you can see, this account was approved few hours ago. So guys, now this is how the account will look like. This is how the account will look like, and of course guys, the available opportunities right here on this account. I believe they should keep updating these opportunities. So right here we have this one. You're going to earn $48 per hour, guys. This is amazing. And of course guys, partner conversational audio record with partner, you're going to earn this amount of money right there. And of course we have this right there, you're going to earn $5. So guys, if you want to upload your audio, your videos, and guys, you simply get paid. So guys, let me quickly show you how you can create your account. So you're going to create your account without CV. And of course guys, before we create your account, let's look at this. All right, so you upload videos, voice recordings and audio content to earn money. All right, so AI companies pay premium rate for high quality training data. So guys, this is guys, you upload video content, audio and voice, images and photos, and you are simply good to go. So now I want to click on sign up under Luel.ai. So once you click on sign up, so guys, you are not going to submit your CV. All right, so you are going to sign up without CV. So this is how you are simply going to sign up. So guys, please, if you are getting value from this video, please like this video and also subscribe if you are here too. So now simply click on this last name right there. So you want to fill out your correct details. All right, so now still, let me leave it like that. So after that guys, if you want to click on the continue to create your account, remember we are not using the CV, so you can simply do this without CV. So now right there, you just want to be careful right there. So your recording devices and equipment, you want to select it. So now right there, make use of smartphone, high quality microphone. Now if you have this, please you can simply choose, all right, laptop with inbuilt camera and maybe other device. So you want to specify. All right, now let me just let me leave this out of this high quality webcam. So after that guys, you should want to click connect. So this is how you are going to sign up. All right, so right here you want to select your country. All right, so you want to select your country. Now you simply want to scroll down, you want to look for your country. I am from Nigeria, so I'll simply look for Nigeria right there. So this is Nigeria, and of course guys, I'll simply choose my native language right there, so English. So if you can speak French, you want to add it, but I'm able to speak English. Of course, if you can speak French, you simply want to click on it. All right, so now other native language right here, or languages not listed, so you can also specify right there what type of content can you contribute. Now you want to come here and click on it, conversational speech, scripted reads. So right there. All right, make sure you're choosing the right thing. All right, so now I want to come to video, screen recording, face and head shot, full body recording if you want full body recording, and action movements and so on, product demonstrations if you can do this, then image screenshot. All right, reward, because you're going to upload all these, and guys, you you're getting paid for this. Now next thing you want to do is click on I agree, and after that you want to click on complete registration. So guys, this is how you can sign up. It is as simple as that. And after that, guys, you are going to receive an email that you are on their waitlist. So guys, within 2 to 3 days, you are going to receive another email, provided you follow this guide. All right, so you are going to receive another email. So now guys, that is how you can simply create an account on Luel.ai without a CV. So guys, I'll also be making another video on this particular platform. And guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.